Hi guys, this is Astasha, entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. Okay, today's video is basically about lipsticks and specifically about Maybelline. Maybelline in their PR package sent me a massive lipstick. I think I must have seen this in my PR package video. There are a lot of lipsticks in this, and I thought I'd try out the shades and show you how it looks on me. Of course, everyone's skin tone is very different, so it will look very different on everyone's skin. But okay, let me just show you the shade range, what's there, because they've sent me the entire shade range. Let's open. Okay, when you open, this is what it looks like. The light is gonna keep changing because it is gonna keep changing. Sorry for the crazy mess behind, but okay. Let's start from light to dark. I am more of a nude person rather than reds. Let's quickly get to know the price of this. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 shades are there inside this. We're gonna pick one and I want to see what is okay. The price of this is 599. It's 600 rupees. The packaging looks like this. Okay. The first shade is the shade's name is Crop Top. Crop Top is the shade 001. Okay, you open and this is what it looks like. It's a very matte lipstick. Right now I have nothing on. We're gonna try everything and see how it looks on me. How it looks on me. Okay, the formula is really good. It's literally like gliding on my lipstick. This is the shade. I think it's looking nice. What do you think? It's looking nice. But I want to check if this is transfer proof because that's something which I always check in all my lipsticks. Because you know, you're outside for so long, you're constantly eating, drinking, water, this, that. Let's check if this is transfer proof. It is getting transferred, but the lipstick is still staying. I think this is like the extra lipstick that is going. I mean, see, it's not like going like that. But I think this is a nice shade. The next one is maybe it's Maybelline. I think it's that. But this one is all of them are literally going to look the same, so I'm not going to show you. I mean, I'll show you the shades if you want of all, but the lipsticks look the same. I'm going to remove this and re-put the other one. The previous one was a very brunch vibe kind of a thing. I feel this one is also that. Let's try this, how it looks on my. I don't like this reddish color, but it's not reddish, but it's like a pinkish. I think this is more of when you're going out. I think when you're going for an event, like it's a party night because it's really dark. I'm not fond of such dark colors. It's not my vibe at all. But I'm sure if you guys love wearing such dark colors, this is a nice color. See, I'm like removing it off. I'm not sure if I like the fact that it comes off so easily. I really love lipsticks which are like super long lasting. Okay, the next one we have is Open Late. Open Late. That lipstick is not for me because I'm always early and I'm always on time. This one looks like this. I think this is also going to be really dark. These are not my colors. I love the fact that in one swipe, the lipstick just comes on. But this shade is really dark for me. I'm not fond of such shades. I'm sure there are a lot of people who like such shades, but this is a total no for me. Open Late, no. Okay, unfortunately, the more darker it gets, those two shades are missing and it's not there inside. Maybe they must have forgotten, but this one is Wildcard and this one is Hold the Door. So these two are not there, but they were really dark colors. Any which ways, I wouldn't vibe with it. We're moving to brown. Brown is my favorite. See, it like comes off really easily. I mean, it's good for the video now, but I don't think it's good in general, where you want your lip shade to stay. But you can do so many lip combos. You can have like a lip liner of a different shade, gloss, everything to just make up for it. And I think it's really cool. Next we have is Avenue A. Avenue A is a brown color. It's shade 007. Brown is my favorite. Today only I had gone for an event and I'd worn brown color. This is what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna apply this. I think it's gonna look bomb. Maybe I'm not dressed right now for that, but I know it's gonna look crazy. It's too dark, so I'm applying little. Maybe if I put it with like a lighter color, it can look nice. I'm not sure. But right now, this is making me look a little Annabelle vibes. But why not? Sometimes, yeah, I'll tell you what, honestly, when you're wearing like this really good slick back and you're wearing like a hot outfit, this lip shade can look nice. It's not like bad. I think it's really cool, and I feel if I put like gloss, if I line it properly, it can look nice. Right now, it's just not going with. I've not accessorized. I've not done a lot of things, but I don't know. It depends on skin to skin. This is called Avenue A. I don't know if like a lot of people will like this. Okay, we next have. Excuse me. Excuse me is also brown, but it's a little lesser brown. Oh, by the way, this lipstick has hyaluronic acid oil blend. Oh, I could feel that little oil blend. 8 hours hydration, perfected for Indian skin tones. That's really cool. But yeah, it has 8 hours hydration. I just feel they could have made it transfer proof. Oh, I forgot to show you the shade. Sorry. I think this is the better brown. This slightly lighter brown. But again, I'm telling you, this can be mixed with like a lighter color, and I swear it can look nice. Right now, my lips are just looking red because I've tried like 10 lipsticks. Okay, but I think you're right. Maybe you're thinking right while you're watching this video that this brown is a little more subtle. I like this one more. So for now, my favorite one is Excuse Me, Kya Re, Mera Dil Tujh Pe Fida Re. Sorry. My lips are just getting worse and worse because I've applied so much. But the browns get darker, trust me. There's now one called Make It Work. Make It Work is 103. This is what it looks like. Oh. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 shades I showed you minus 2, which I didn't get, are the matte ones, 7 matte ones. And they've also sent 6 glossy shades. So from now on, which is the Make It Work one, are all glossy. Oh, I didn't know you can see the shine. Wow. I'm excited to try this. I love the smell of the lipstick. Ignore the redness. I've rubbed my lips too much. But can you see the shine? Again, I think this shade is like quite dark for me, but it's quite nice. I like it. What do you think? I think, can you tell me in the comments which one you like the most on me? I think this is also going to transfer. Quite transferable. I really want lipsticks which like last long. I'm going to look for them and then tell you all which last long. The shine, the one swipe and you get that shine. Everything is there. Colors are beautiful. It has that glossy vibe. Again, you can mix it and match it with like a lot of lip combos. But transfer proof. The next one is Maybe It's Intense. It's 104. Okay, this is what the shade looks like. Guys, this is also very dark. I'm not going to try this, but I think this is very, very dark. Next one is Speed Walk. Speed Walk is even darker, but let's try this. It has a full glossy vibe. I've tried too many lipsticks now. This dark is not my vibe. Unless and until I'm really going out anywhere and I really need to dress up like crazy chic and, you know, look like. That's the vibe of this one. It's not looking bad, but it's not looking wow. It's looking wow, actually. I like it. Not bad. If I'm fully dressed up, it's nice. They've also sent these microphone chain pockets. Very cute. I'm gonna add them definitely. But we have the last 3 left. This one is Maybe It's Soft. This is shade 106. Maybe It's Soft. I'm just obsessed with the shine. I don't know. Whatever the shade is, whatever you like, you don't like, I don't care. But just look at the shine. Glide. See, the shade does come. This is more of maybe like a lunch, brunch, a morning event, or just going out with friends to chill and not like a party night. Just want to keep it subtle. And I feel a lot of girls now these days go for more subtle rather than loud, like those darker lipsticks. So I think these are the shades which are more in. I quite like it. Maybe It's Maybelline. Guys, this is not a sponsored video at all. Please, please, it's not sponsored at all. I'm just doing it so that I can show you all the entire range of lipsticks. What happens when you're shooting a lipstick video? I just did this and it came from my fingers. Second last one, Blind Date. Blind Date, which I need to go for, 107. This seems again dark. This is too dark, guys. I'm not applying this, and this is giving me more of a red than brown. I'm not a red person, so I don't want to apply this one. Sorry. Last one is Fit Check. Fit Check is a pink color, 108 pink. I've opened all of them ulta for some reason. It's also very dark color for me, but it's pink, so we can apply it. This is a little bit of that Rani pink color. I think more than natural colors, they have gone for darker colors. But I think maybe they are catering to that kind of people, you know, who want to do like, oh, like a night scene, a chill scene, want to look like, go all out with their outfit and go all out with their makeup. See, none of the colors looked bad on me. I think all of them suited me in some way, just that every lipstick has a different occasion and it's just how you wear it. Like, I'm someone who really doesn't like really bright colors on me, which is like dark eyeshadows and stuff. I don't like that. You will never see me in eyeshadows because it overpowers my face because I'm so fair. But I'm sure a lot of these colors will look good on you guys as well. Y'all can definitely try it. The best part about this is it's really affordable. 599 rupees is really, really amazing for a lipstick. And that also is such a good brand. Like Maybelline, I've been using Maybelline since years now. Even before becoming a creator, Maybelline has genuinely been my favorite. I really think, like, people going to like office and stuff who really want to pick affordable lipsticks, this is a good one. Just that I really don't know how long it stays because I've not kept it. I mean, I've just tried it on, removed it and showed it to you guys, so I don't know how long lasting it is, so I can't comment on that. But otherwise, it's a nice lipstick, transfer proof, I told you 100 times, and it really feels soft and it has that little oil blend. It's also really hydrating. I think it's a good one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this video. If you like this video, I'll make another one which is like maybe my go-to lipsticks which are transfer proof and which I like, which I prefer. Maybe like, you know, for different occasions, what I wear for the night, what I wear in the day. I only have this one lip combo, honestly. I use whether in the morning or the night because I'm, again, I told you, a nude lipstick person. But I can do that. I can even show you like I've actually shown you my makeup routine, but you know, the kind of foundations I prefer, affordable ones, I can make videos on that. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. I don't know why, but I've spoken really softly in this entire video.